What's up, guys? Marshall Sparkman here, VA loan specialist. Wanted to do today's episode of What Not to Do Wednesday about your credit. So, what not to do? Do not do it yourself credit repair, okay? It's very common that I see people try to go put dispute letters, this and that, pay off collections or pay down their credit card balances. Sometimes you may be overdoing it. It may not be necessary. I always tell people do it yourself credit repair is like trying to give yourself stitches. You're more than likely going to catch an infection. You need to go to the doctor, let a credit repair specialist tell you exactly what to do, people that do this stuff for a living. Let me show you a quick example of something that I commonly see. Here's a collection, as you see, that zero balance currently, but date last active was December of 2021. So just last month, the guy went and paid it off. Well, now, guess what? It popped your date last active back to current. So it has a negative impact on your credit score. So you think you're doing the right thing, you're paying off zero balance, but really what you're doing is you're hurting your credit by making the date last active back to current. Don't do that.